everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet this soda cup, which is part of my foodie themed blanket. For this project you will want worsted weight yarn in white and red, a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and some scissors. To begin, we're going to start with the white yarn, make a slip knot, and chain 11. Once you have 11 chains on your hook, go ahead and half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then half double crochet in each chain across. And once you get to the end, you will have a total of 10 half double crochets. Here I am at the end of row 1. Chain 1, turn your work, and for row 2 we are going to half double crochet all the way across, just one half double crochet in each stitch, and we will have a total of 10 half double crochets. And go ahead and repeat this also for row 3. Here I just finished row 3, so there's 3 rows of just half double crochets, and now we're going to change our yarn color to red. So I'm just going to pull my red through the loop, pull the white tail tight, tie the ends together, chain 1, turn our work, and I'm just going to crochet over these tails, but we're going to do the same exact thing. We're just chaining 1, doing half double crochets all the way across, and we're going to do this for rows 4 through 7. So we will have a total of 4 rows with the red color, and then once we complete that, I will meet you back here, and then we will switch back to white and finish the cup. Here we are at the end of row 7. I'm going to change back to white. Chain 1, turn our work, and for row 8 we are going to do the same thing, just half double crochets all the way across, and then after this we do have one more row to complete, and it will be a little different. So go ahead and do 1 row of white, just 1 half double crochet all the way across for row 8. Here I am at the end of row 8 for row 9, chain 1, turn your work. In the very first stitch, we're going to do 2 half double crochets. And then in the next 8 stitches, just 1 half double crochet. And once we do those 8 stitches, it will basically bring us to the very last stitch. And once we get to the very last stitch, we're going to do 2 half double crochets in the same stitch and then fasten off. So here is the cup, and next we will make the straw. For the straw, I'm going to use red. We're going to start with a slip knot and chain 10. Once we have 10 chains, go ahead and single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then into the next 3. So we will have 4 single crochets total. In the next chain, we're going to do 3 single crochets all into that same chain, and that's going to create the bend in the straw. So So 3 single crochets in that same chain, and then we're just going to single crochet into the remaining chains, just 1 single crochet in each chain. And then once you get to the end, you can fasten off. So there is our little straw, and that is it. You will just have to attach the straw onto the cup. I like to just overlap it a little bit, put it behind the cup. And that is it. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.